always celebrate others, you will be celebrated, and this is what Flavour Nabania did on this particular one. Hello guys, welcome back to Lyon Mack TV. Mack here with another exciting, delighting and much interesting video here on the channel. So this video particularly is about Flavour Nabania, the Ijele one of Africa. And you could see from what I was saying from the title, it is a money spraying party for him, and yeah, 1,000 Naira notes being spread like on a stadium. Well, I've never seen Flavour actually go to events and spray money before, and I was really surprised seeing him doing it on this particular party, or should I say club, that he was this night. Anyway guys, I'll be sharing with you the highlight of a rehearsal, a very beautiful rehearsal he did, and also this party where he was spotted spraying money at this, I don't know if he's a DJ or just a hype man. Anyway, enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment in the comment section. In the comment section, I want you to be sincere. If you're really a true Flavour fan like I am, and you always listen and follow this celebrity so well, please in the comment section share your thoughts where you've ever seen Flavour Nabania go out to occasions and spray money like, yeah, it's just for the party and for the fun, because they hardly do such things. Like it's always him at the front line. So whenever you see him doing it back to somebody else, then know that yes, showing love and showing sign of appreciation towards that person. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section. See you guys on my next video.